Hi, I'm Dick Notebart, and I wanted to make sure you had a chance to preview the upcoming launch of an Ameritech strategy with the power to reshape our company and its relationship with our customers. Over the last several months, we have done a great deal of research. We talked to thousands of customers and employees, and we got back some good news. Employees often go to great lengths to be attentive to our customers. We learned that customers have a high regard for Ameritech and Ameritech's people. Customers were very specific about what we could do to make the Ameritech brand their brand of choice, and it has to do with attentive behavior on our part. They want us to delight them with the quality of our service. They want us to own whatever problems they might have, and to help them solve those problems quickly, accurately, and cost-effectively. In short, they want our actions to reflect our belief that they are important. Obviously, Ameritech's ability to make this happen rests with individual Ameritech employees like you and me. That's the differentiator. Every competitor has the same technology, but Ameritech people are a cut above. No one else can deliver service like we do, and that's why I'm convinced this focused strategy is going to successfully drive customer preference for the Ameritech brand. I thought you might want to see an example of our new advertising before this campaign runs on television. You are, after all, in a starring role. But rest assured that our focus on attentive behavior and on driving preference for the Ameritech brand will last far longer than a series of TV ads. And it will go much deeper. Ameritech's management is beginning to put operational changes in place that will help each of us be even more attentive to customers than we've had the opportunity to be in the past. But you'll hear more about that later. Right now, take a look at this new ad campaign that features you. And you may want to call in your family members to watch as well. We couldn't have put this advertising campaign together without them.
I tell him, wear a sweater, don't forget your boots. I never know where he'll be. That's his job.
Wait. Come on. Love you. Bye.
It doesn't matter if it's raining cats and dogs. Just hope he remembered his hat. He tells me every day it's something new. I don't think so. 22 years. Exact same thing. It's the customer this, the customer that. I believe that man dreams about the customer. The whole place is like that. Probably more now than ever. It's not like they're perfect or anything, but if you're choosing a phone company, this is what Ted says. Ted says, you can get the technology anywhere. What makes Ameritech different is the people. Now, ordinarily, I wouldn't believe that, except for the fact that I married one of them.